Are you tired of constantly having to save your work and refresh your browser in order to see the updated changes that you've made to your code? I got my coffee and I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Andrew. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up a live server using VS Code. So if that's something that you're interested in, well, let's do this. Hey, Andrew from the future here. If you're not sure what VS Code is, how to get it, how to install it, or good extensions to start with, go ahead and click the card in the upper right hand corner. Okay, let's get back to this video now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let's set up our live server. So the first thing, obviously, go ahead and open up VS Code. Once that is open, on the left hand side you're going to see that Tetris looking icon. Once that Tetris looking icon is clicked, it's going to come up and you're going to be able to search the marketplace for extensions. You see that I was already searching mine. You're going to go ahead and click on Live Server. And the very top option is going to be this one right here. I'll leave this up so you can see what it kind of looks like. Go ahead and install that. Mine's already installed, so I have an uninstall button. Go ahead and click install. You want to make sure that the extension is enabled to work. Once you have installed and enabled the extension, you can go ahead and close it out unless you want to read about it. And then close that out. And we're going to travel up to the code menu up at the top. We're going to do this because we want our documents to autosave for us so that we don't have to continue to press Control S or Command S depending on which system you're on, or continuously save the document. So we're going to travel to Preferences and then go over to Settings. Once that opens up, the very top one here should be Autosave. There are more autosave settings as well. So I'm going to go ahead and search the settings. You can do that in the search bar at the top. Type in autosave. You want to make sure that you have autosave set to after delay, and you'll see here your autosave delay. This is in milliseconds, so you're going to want to type in the number of milliseconds you want it to take to save your document. I have mine set to 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. So that means that as soon as I type something in, it's going to immediately save it, and then it should pop up on the live server. Once you have installed, enabled the extension, and you have verified that you have autosave set to a reasonable delay, go ahead and you're going to click the Go Live button. Let me go ahead and exit that out. At the bottom of your VS Code, you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff. One of those buttons is going to say Go Live. You're going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to see it starting up the live server. And then on the right hand side where you have your default browser opened up, you're going to see a new tab pop up that's going to tell you which IP and which port the live server is running through. And that right there will allow you to see your changes live as you are typing your code. I'll go ahead and show you how this works real fast because I want to change the text right here. I don't want it to be black. You can't see that very well. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my wrapper selector here and change the color to white. It should save, and you immediately see that change happen in your browser window. I really hope that this was helpful for someone. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click the like button. If you want to see more content, go ahead and click on the cards that you're going to see pop up on the right hand side. I show you how to test responsiveness in Safari as well as Firefox, and you can check those out. And again, thank you so much, and I hope that you have a great day. Deuces.